Well, AIG Print actually is a sister company from our main company, Abstract Image Group. Abstract Image Group has been a company that has been over 40 years printing company, especially on large formats. So that's our specialty. So when we decided to start this one-on-one more small orders, we started with a very well-known platform online. Needed more than one person to try to handle these orders. One thing, it was the challenge in communication, since it was only through chat. There's no phone calls or no email, no nothing. Second, how to gather the information to produce what they were looking for. That also was very limited. And then from the main company, our system is set up for those big projects. So any discount prices, or we need to gather all the information, create the accounts, many steps that we don't need. And at the same time, some clients, like, you just want to buy something. Why am I supposed to give you all this information? That's when OnPrintShop, took away all that. I remember we've been with the company so many years. It was the UI UX design. Second was the ability for me to be able to customize into our product, because not all products are the same. Throughout the years, I see the improvements, I see the updates that are just going to say easier for me to do these customizations. Another thing that I have improved, and I love it, is the data. How can I just check on different data when it comes to sales, who's coming back, and seeing these customers that I say that they're returning customer, all these little. So from last year, I have seen an improvement on over 75% of customers being able to handle the website by itself. From December last year, I will say that we already are over 150 to 200% of sales increase in the past 4 months, this first quarter. Now, downloading files is so quick and easy that we have 100% turnaround. And if we have a 3-day turnaround production, 100% is going to be at least out in 1 or 2 days. So it's so quick and easy that there's not much that I need to be manipulating in order for production to have. When it comes to the integrations with the other apps, I'm going to say this is more than 100%. The last quarter, I think it went up like at least at 35-40% from last year. By using tools like OnPrintShop, I have nothing else to say that the best. Great customer service, great tech support, and that's why I love OnPrintShop, that I can customize it however I want it.